Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided that I just don't want this anymore. The little thing is still sticky and I'm going to try to resell it, but this is the current situation here, and just the bowing in the back and it just getting in the way of my pictures. I just don't want the product anymore. So if you're interested in seeing how I still kept a little Louis Vuitton theme going with my phone, just not this case and not the trunk case. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay y'all, so I finally made the decision to get rid of my Louis Vuitton phone case. I'm selling it on Poshmark. I'm not recommending it, but if you're interested in buying it, I will put my Poshmark listing in the description box. This retails for $345 and I'm selling mine for $290. As I mentioned before, it does have this area here that doesn't sit completely down. It still is sticky, as you can see. I can't even pull this off, but you just stick your phone on there, and then this up here is coming up just on this side, which it could probably be I hate to say that, but super glued down. But anyway, I just can't anymore with this case. You know, I hate that I spent the money on it, because I feel like I could have gotten something else, but hopefully I can sell it and get something else from the sale of it. But I have all the paperwork and everything, so like I said, if you're interested in it, you know, it comes with the box, the paperwork, the little cloth to clean the screen. This here, I never used it. And like I said, the paperwork of authenticity. So yeah, I'll be putting that up for sale on my Poshmark. So what I did was I just went with the plain old clear case. I wanted something with a gold reflect in it. When we went to Dallas, we went to the Louis Vuitton store, and I found maybe something that I might be happy with. I hope I am. And it comes in this little pouch here. Let me open it up, and it's a phone ring, and it's the Monogram phone ring. It goes up and down, and you can kind of set it on your phone where it can stand up. It goes down flush like that. It's the Monogram phone ring, and it has the little Louis Vuitton there on the ball of the ring. It has Louis Vuitton on the bottom here, and that's where you can stand up your phone. And then, like I said, it's the Monogram, and here's the back. So it goes on your phone like that. And so this retails for $290. And when I went into the store in Dallas, I just wanted to go ahead and buy the trunk phone case, but they didn't have one. And so she actually said that they're not making them for the 7 Plus anymore. It's going to be for the, I believe she said the 10. And so I didn't even have the proper phone anyway. So I decided on this, and $290 is a lot of money to pay for a little phone ring. But I still wanted something Louis Vuitton, and that's what I decided on, and it'll just stick on like that. And I haven't stuck it on yet, and I will, but you know, I'm very anal retentive and I want it exactly right, so I'm gonna have to have my husband measure it and make sure that we put it in the right spot so that you know, I can utilize it the way I want to. I'm not sure if it needs to go this way so that that little ring will stand up the phone. Seems like it's kind of hard to, I think I probably just need to break it in, but yeah, it's really hard to lift up. But that is the solution for now. And you know, like I said, when you buy Louis Vuitton, you really want to buy pieces that you know that you're going to use. And it's hard when you buy something that you're just not happy with. You can't return it. The only thing that you can do is resell it. And you know, I hope that that phone case finds a happy home. And you know, if someone just wants it just to have it for an aesthetic look, or you know, doesn't take a lot of back camera selfies, does a lot of front camera selfies, you know, it's a good case. I like the pockets in it. I like that I could store my credit cards in there. But ultimately, you know, since I vlog sometimes with my phone, I want to be able to not have that flap over it where I have to pull it back to use my phone or anything like that. It was really a good privacy also phone case. I mean, it would close when it would close. Now that was another issue. I'll just insert my review of that phone case here so that you can see everything that I'm talking about as far as like the issues that I had with it. But again, like I said, if you're interested in purchasing it from me, I'll put my Poshmark listing down below. And so this is my alternative answer for now until I decide what else I want to do. I hope that I'm happy with this solution. It's really cute. Like I said, I wanted the gold reflex to showcase so that it would mesh with the gold in the phone ring. So anyway, that is my solution for now in my unboxing of this phone ring. It's really pretty. It's a big size, I would say. To me, it's a large phone ring. It's not small, so in the palm of my hand you can see that it's a fairly good size. And it's very pretty and shiny, and I don't know how long it'll stay that way, but I have been able to, I like being able to close it flat, so when I put it on I can still put it in my purse and it's not going to be that obtrusive as far as like the thickness. I feel like it'll work. And as far as you know, being able to carry it around. So yeah, that is my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton phone ring. And also be careful with the things that you buy from Louis Vuitton, because once you have it and use it, you know, I don't know what their return policy is, but you know, you want to be able to buy pieces that you're happy with and that you're going to use and that are functional for your life. And so, you know, if you have the phone case and it works perfect for you, that's great. Like I said, it's a beautiful case. Aesthetically, I feel like it's nice, and I get a lot of compliments on it, but it's just not functional for me. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.